Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all good and welcome to Current Affairs in Flux. Let's begin today's daily current affairs. December 15th, we observe International Tea Day, and every year on 15th of December it is observed as the International Tea Day, and this day is observed in the countries like Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, India, Nepal, Vietnam, and some more, where they here the tea is the second most used drink in the world after water, and it is also a integral part of life for some people, where China is currently the largest exporter of tea, and this day is first observed by India in the year 2005. Next one. Center grants a geographical indication tag to Bihar's Mithali Makhana. Yeah, the GI tag GI tag, that is geographical indication tag, has been given to the Bihar's Mithila Makhana. Here it is. The Ministry of Commerce has accepted to rename the Bihar Makhana as Mithila Makhana. If you see the some more GI tags of Bihar are Katarni rice, Maghi pan, Silo Khaja, and Bajalpuri Jardalu is also some of these GI tags which has acquired in the Bihar state. Next one. Dubai became first in world to go 100% paperless. Yeah, the Dubai became the world's first government to turn 100% paperless, and it has announced by the UAE Crown Prince Sheikh Hamdan. Here, if you see it about it, if you see this, it will save around 3 billion dirham, that is $350 million, and 14 million man hours. It has mentioned, and all the exceptional digital services can be accessed by the citizens through the Dubai Now applications, that is Dubai Now app. Yeah, the capital of Dubai is Abu Dhabi and the currency is dirham, whereas the president is Khalifa bin Zayed Al Nayam. Next one. IAF and DRDO flight tested helicopter launched SANT missile. Yeah, the full form of SANT is standoff anti tank missile. Here the DRDO, that is Defense Research and Development Organization, and Indian Air Force successfully flight tested the indigenously designed and developed helicopter launched SANT missile from Pokhran range in Rajasthan. Here this missile is launched from the helicopter which is indigenously developed, and it is for the first time that it was launched from a Russian origin Mi-35 helicopter gunship, where this missile has been designed and developed by Research Center Imrat, which is in Hyderabad. Next one. China launches Shijian 605 satellites for space exploration. Yeah, the China has successfully launched a new group of satellites called Shijian 605 into the space from the Long March 4B rocket, and it has marked the 400th, that is 400th mission of Long March series carrier rockets. Whereas the capital of China is Beijing and the currency is renminbi, and the president of China is Xi Jinping. Next one. Maharashtra topped the list in Atmanirbhar Bharat Rozgar Yojana. Here, the Atmanirbhar Bharat Rozgar Yojana is an initiative by the government to incentivize the employment generation in employees in EPF, that is Employment Provident Fund Organization, and they and this employment is was this scheme was established in the period of this pandemic from October 1, 2020 to 31st of March 2022, and Maharashtra has topped the list of states with the maximum number of beneficiaries under the Atmanirbhar Bharat Rozgar Yojana. And the second state is Tamil Nadu, whereas the third state is acquired by Gujarat. And whereas the Maharashtra has announced that the beneficiaries have provided with a total of 409 about 410 crores under this scheme, with a employees of 17,524 establishments. And if you see recently, the Indian Skills Report 2022 was also released by VBox, and in this report also Maharashtra has retained the top position in the list of states. Next one. Elon Musk named as the Time Magazine's Person of the Year for 2021. Here, the Elon Musk, who is the founder and the CEO of the SpaceX and Neuralink and the infrastructure firm, the Boring Company, where he has named as the Time Magazine's Person of the Year for this year 2021. Whereas in the year 2020, the Time magazine has also named US President Joe Biden and the Vice President Kamala Harris as the Person of the Year 2020. Next one. David Warner and Haley Matthews bags ICC Player of the Month for November. Here, David Warner, who is the opener of the Australian men's team, and Haley Matthews, who is the all-rounder of the West Indies team, has been voted the ICC Player of the Month for the November month. If we see from the Indian side, Rishabh Pant has named as the Player of the Month for the month of January, and the Ravindra Chandra Ashwin for February, and the Bhuvneshwar Kumar is for March. And these three persons has named as the Player of the Month for this year from January, February, and the March. Next one. The International Boxing Association has changed its acronym from AIBA to IBA. Here, this International Boxing Association, previously it has an acronym named AIBA. Now it has changed to IBA, that is International Boxing Association. And this has adopted a set of governance reforms so as to keep the sports inclusion at the 2028 Olympics, boxing, weightlifting, and modern pentathlon sports, which is going to be held in the year 2028 at the Los Angeles game. And the president of International Boxing Association is Umar Kremlov, and the headquarters is at Lausanne, Switzerland, which is founded in the year 1946. Next one. Chandeep Singh wins India's first ever medal at Para World Taekwondo Championship. Here, the Taekwondo is a Korean form of martial arts which is characterized by punching and kicking techniques, and it is known as for the kicking and the punching and the art or way of this kicking and punching techniques. In this, Chandeep Singh has bagged the silver medal at the Para World Taekwondo Championship and became the first para athlete from Jammu and Kashmir to achieve such a great place at a world level. And he won this medal in the men's 80 kg category in the 9th World Taekwondo Championship, which held in Istanbul in Turkey. Next one. Kunur helicopter crash. Survivor group Captain Varun Singh passes away. The Captain Varun Singh, who was rescued after the helicopter crash which killed the CDS General Bipin Rawat and the 12 others, which is held this at in Tamil Nadu, Kunur, has now passed away, where his condition in the last few days continued to be critical but stable. Now he had passed away, and in this year in August he was also conferred with the Shaurya Chakra award. Next one. Thank you everyone. Stay safe and stay strong.